The doctor visit. Each time you visit a physician, you go for a specific reason or a number of reasons. It may be due to concerns that you have about your health or concerns or conditions that require periodic monitoring by your physician. To get the most out of any doctor visit, prepare ahead of time. Write out your questions, either questions that you have or concerns expressed by family or friends. Write out a list of your medications and bring all of your medication bottles in a bag. You should also carry with you, in your purse or wallet, a list of your medications, herbs, supplements, and over-the-counter products. Your medications should be reviewed at every visit. Bring copies of your test results obtained through other doctors. Call ahead of your appointment to ensure that consultation reports and test results have been communicated between offices. Keep notes of the names of specialists and tests performed since the last visit. The visit. Be clear about why you are there. Know your reasons and your doctor's reasons. Utilize the time you spend with the nurse, reviewing medications. Discuss the essence of your concern. The doctor will then have more time to spend on other issues. Let your doctor know about any other healthcare specialist you have seen since the last visit. A chiropractor, herbalist, acupuncturist, physical therapist, or massage therapist. Plan to take notes during the visit. It is my experience that physicians will give much instruction and explanation during a visit. It is difficult to remember these points when you are sick or confused by the language or concepts. It is often helpful to bring a trusted companion with you to your doctor visits. They can sometimes ask good questions or remember key points. They don't need to stay for the whole visit or examination. But if you are acutely ill or stressed, it can be helpful for them to be present during the initial discussion and the final discussion. Be clear about medications being prescribed, what it is for, how long it will be needed, the name, the dose, the common side effects, the potential interactions with current medications. Before you leave, know the diagnosis or the name given to the problem or problems that have been addressed during that visit. Use the LifeMind system to refer to a sheet called the Visit Log, where we have included all the pertinent questions that you need to ask at each doctor's visit.